Welcome to this beautiful maintenance-provided villa. Can you just imagine your cocktails in the evening on this beautiful front porch? This incredible 4-bed, 3-bath home is better than a new build at a mere 4 years old. Just off your front yard is a private pickleball court. Amenities include a community pool, playground, and walking trails. You'll be able to spend cozy winter nights with this easy-to-use gas fireplace. The kitchen's equipped with this beautiful granite and a deep apron sink. But my really favorite part is the butler's pantry, which also has granite, and you could have your own personal coffee bar. Downstairs is designed for Kansas City Chiefs football lovers. It has a granite minibar just waiting for your wine cooler. Imagine your morning coffee on this beautiful screen porch.